Well, I've got these peas. I already opened up that one. I'm opening them so that we can count how many peas are in here. One of my YouTube subscribers kind of was amazed that I could get 10 peas to a pod. And we're going to show some right now. This one here definitely, it's got to have 10 or else they're just monster peas. Let's start with the shortest one here. This one looks pretty short. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 peas in a pod. Okay. Let me take care of these right away. Here's another short one. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 peas to a pod. I'll take care of that too. So here's one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 peas to a pod. Might not get to 10. Oh yeah, that's good. These are selling peas. They're called tall telephone. And here's the longest one. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11! 11 peas to the pod. Oh yeah. I'm gonna eat those too. I probably should have saved these for seed. This might be stupid. Well, maybe there'll be another one. I got a lot of plants growing. Alright. Thanks for watching.